Hello, Shanice. Well, before we get started, I got a couple questions to ask you. How long have you actually been practicing your craft?
I've actually been singing since I was like 5, so.
Who inspired you?
I actually got from like a musical family, so my whole family is music.
All right. Well, you leave here then?
When the rain is pouring in your face and the whole world is on your case, I can offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there's no one there to dry your tears, I can hold you for 1,000,000 years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I will never do you wrong. I know that from the moment that we met, there's no doubt in my mind where you belong. I go hungry, I go black and blue, I go run down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. The storms are raging on the rolling sea and on the highway of gray. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I can make you happy, make your dreams come true. No, there's nothing that I would undo. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love. To make you feel my love. To make you feel